Welcome to Minute to Myself 21 Days Challenge. Today is day 8 and today we'll practice 1 minute of nature mindfulness session. Let's find a comfortable spot outdoors where you can connect with nature. And if it's raining, you get to experience those raindrops. You can carry your umbrella with you. So let's go ahead and get started.
Today we will be using our headphones or just your phone audio to perform our 1 minute activity. Once you're ready, let's go out to experience the nature. Let's first close our eyes, take a deep breath in, fill your lungs with the fresh air of the outdoors. And as you exhale, release any tension you may be holding. Let's begin our minute by gently opening our eyes and taking a moment to observe your surrounding. Notice the colors of the leaves, the gentle sway of the branch. Now try to reach out and touch the leaves of a nearby plant. Feel the texture beneath your fingertips, the roughness of the bark or the smoothness of the leaf surface, allowing yourself to be fully present in this moment. Listen closely to the sounds of nature surrounding you, the rustling of the leaves in the wind, the chirping of birds in the distance, the gentle babbling of the nearby stream. Let these sounds wash over you, bringing a sense of peace and calm. Let's take a last deep breath in, savoring the freshness of the air and exhaling a deep sense of gratitude for this moment of connection with nature. As the session comes to a close, carry out this feeling of peace and connection with you throughout your day. Remember, nature is always there to welcome you. Thank you so much for joining, and congratulations on completing your Day 8 challenge. Have a blessed day. I'll see you tomorrow.